Welcome to my Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your technical queries. In this video, we shall learn how to enable dark mode in Viber. Before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So to get started, you will need to open Viber app on your Android device. Tap on More button on the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll then come across a bunch of options here. Let's go ahead and tap on Settings. Then on the second last option here, you will see Appearance. Tap on it and then you will see three options available. In most of the phones, the default option is Classic, but it does vary according to the phone's theme. So now you can choose between these three options here, that is Classic, Dark Blue and Black. Select whichever theme you'd like to, and there we go. Enjoy using a Viber in dark mode. I hope the video was helpful to you guys. For more technical and informative videos, please go ahead and like, comment and subscribe to my TechSpace channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.